Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making a delicious Pakistani dish called Saag Aloo. This meatless recipe is so tasty. It's a gorgeous curry dish to try soon. So let's get cooking. We'll start with the potatoes. We'll add the spuds cut into 2-inch pieces to a large pot filled with salty, cold water. Cover and bring to a boil. When it gets there, we'll leave the lid ajar so it doesn't boil over and cook them for 10 minutes or until just tender. Meanwhile, we'll look after the saag. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add ghee and canola oil. When it gets hot, we'll add cumin seeds as well as yellow mustard seeds and saute these two for just 1 minute. We'll reduce the heat to medium and add the yellow onions. Then season with ground sea salt. We'll saute for 5 minutes. Now, if you want, you can add serrano peppers or bird's eye chilies. David and I prefer without it, so adjust to your liking. A few minutes later, we'll add minced ginger and pressed garlic. We'll quickly saute them for only 1 minute. Next, we'll add tomato paste and stir to coat. To salvage your leftovers, I have a cool trick, so click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. Now, here comes the seasonings. We'll add curry powder, then ground coriander, followed by ground turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, but you can always add more, and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll mix until very well blended before adding a can of diced tomatoes. Of course, we'll stir and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. We'll set our timer for 5 minutes. If it's bubbling too much, reduce the heat to medium-low, okay? 5 minutes later, as you can see, I'm adding the well-drained cooked potatoes to the mixture, but technically, these should have gone in after the spinach. So, working in batches, we'll add a handful of baby spinach leaves and stir until they're wilted, and then add the cooked potatoes. It's easy to get distracted, especially when I film. When this step is done in order, we'll add garam masala and pour in some freshly squeezed lemon juice to brighten it up. We'll stir one more time, serve immediately, and garnish with fresh chopped cilantro. And my friends, this is our Saag Aloo. Flavorful and healthy, this comforting vegetarian dish is a nice meal on its own, but can also be used as a side. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!